What's up, BB Troops? I'm back again with another video. It is Tuesday, February the 12th. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I don't know how it is over here right now. I know we're expecting like 30 centimeters of snow tomorrow, but it's the weather forecast and they say things today and it can change by the day comes, so you gotta go day by day, literally. But if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. It's a family channel, so if you like family vlogs, family challenges, and all that good stuff, you're at the right place. Hit that subscribe button and hit the post notification bell so don't miss any of our videos. And if you're not new, welcome back to another great video. So Kayson's about to head off to daycare. I'm about to bring him to daycare right now. Kayson, it says adopt me. That's from McDonald's. You lost the unicorn?
It's open.
It is open, but where's the unicorn? You took it out yesterday. You gonna say good morning?
No.
No, you're not saying good morning today? Say good morning.
Over here. What's that?
Say good morning.
What's Snowstorm?
I don't know what your unicorn is, Kayson. Come on, let's go. Kayson's not in the mood to say good morning today, guys. He's looking for his unicorn that he took out yesterday. I don't know where he put it. Brian's there about to shoot some water. So he is in the front here. Come hold mommy's hand so you don't fall down the stairs, okay? Gotta hold mommy's hand. But it's recording though.
Yeah, baby troop. So yeah, it's bright, you know, we are getting ready to go do what we normally do on a regular routine. So just giving you guys a heads up. You know, it's the 12th of the month, so you know, we normally get cracking, get the days going. So if anything, you know, we always stick collection family channel. If you're new, you know what to do as always. Stick with us. Alright.
Alright, okay, so it's cold today, guys. It's freezing today. Fun, man. I forgot to even literally warm up the grill, because normally I do that, but it slipped me because I wasn't thinking it was going to be that cold today. I would jump to some music while we're driving. There we go. Get some keys. Comment down below, guys. Are you guys expecting any snow this week? Because we are, and it's literally freezing today. Like look at all that coming out. That's how cold it is. That's how cold it is. Alright, so we're gonna go our separate ways. He's off. I'm going to drop Kayson.
Yes. I'll see you guys later. It's cold today.
You got your jacket wide open. Wait, hold on. Do I have my keys? Just make sure. I have my keys. Yeah.
Okay. Guys, it's a little bit chilly today. I'm closer.
Yeah.
So, alright. So I'll see you guys later.
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 Right. Alright, guys. So now we have reached the destination. Kayson is about to head off to daycare right now. You ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Say see you later. You're gonna have a good day at school, okay? So with that being said, guys, catch you guys in a few minutes. I'm gonna go bring him upstairs and Stay tuned. Oh, okay, so I'm back home, guys. I'm gonna go check the forecast because everyone's talking about this snowstorm that's happening tomorrow. Literally, like, I dropped Kason at daycare and everyone's really talking about this big snowstorm. So earlier I said it was supposed to be about 30 centimeters, but now I heard it's gonna be about approximately 50 centimeters of snow. They're planning on probably closing the daycare tomorrow as well. There's a percentage of that happening. Also, they're doing some surveys to see like how many kids will attend and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go check the forecast. I'm gonna go listen to the news and see what's really happening.
And townships up to 20 as well. In fact, we've got a winter wallop coming in for us as we head Wednesday night and into Thursday. Hazardous driving conditions and even the potential for some power outages with very blustery winds, reduced visibility on the roads, blowing and drifting snow. This is going to be a widespread swath of snowfall for the Montreal area, 20 to 30 centimeters, the eastern townships up to 20 as well. And you can see north of the St. Lawrence, the potential is there for up to 40 centimeters of snowfall. Coming in at the worst time for Thursday, the morning commute impacted, and certainly throughout the day as well on Thursday. This is going to be an all-day snow event. Now, through the evening hours into the overnight on Wednesday into early Thursday, the snow beginning around the Gatineau region, western Quebec. As we head into the overnight, we've got that snow pushing into the Montreal area now, moving toward the eastern townships. And then as we take you into the morning commute, starting to see that snowfall rate pick up in intensity. So you can see there from Gatineau to the Montreal area toward the Drummondville region, where you can make out some slightly deeper hues in that blue there, which is an indication of the snow intensity. Could be at a rate of 2 to 4 plus centimeters per hour. Late morning, still looking at that heavy snowfall for us, especially around the Montreal region and then extending St. George toward Quebec City for us there. But again, widespread snowfall all across the province, taking us throughout the day on Thursday. We take you into the afternoon now on Thursday, and we start to see that snowfall ease in intensity a bit from western Quebec, but still snowing in the Montreal region. South of Montreal, however, notice a bit of clearing coming in and a bit of mixing, potentially with some light rain, but it isn't going to be a big story, because this is going to be primarily a snow event for the region, and it's not going to be done from west to east until Thursday night.
Okay, so with that being said, as you guys just saw from the last clip, I literally said to myself, you know what? I'm going to run to the store and grab a couple of items, because tomorrow I'm definitely not going outside. From what I just heard, yeah, I'm going to go pick up a couple of water, case of water, because we ran out of that. And a couple of other small little items. So with that being said, I'm just gonna do all of that before I go pick up Kason, which in the next hour. And I got my mom with me right here. I'm gonna go drop her to the subway, and because she has an appointment, so I'm gonna drop her to the subway, and I'm gonna go run some errands. So with that being said, Mom, you wanna say anything? You wanna say hi?
Hello everyone, God bless. Keep up the blessing with God always, you know. He never let us down.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go drop her to the Metro, guys. We call it Metro over here. I keep saying Metro, but it's actually a subway. It's a train station. I'm gonna drop her there, and then right after that, I'm gonna head to Walmart and do what I gotta do, and then go pick up Kason. So catch you guys in a few minutes. It won't be long. Alright guys, so I just reached my destination. I'm gonna head to Walmart right over there. And after that, I might head over to Dollarama in front. I'm gonna check with Brian and see if he already picked it up or not. A couple of things already. But yeah, so I'm gonna head into the Walmart. Okay, guys, along with me. Stay tuned, it won't be too long. It is cold outside. Boy, it's freezing. I can't imagine how tomorrow's gonna be, but yeah, I'm gonna get inside there right now and carry you guys along. Stay tuned. I need some water. Let me see. Sorry. No problem. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna just grab a case of water. At least it's not that packed in here, I must say. Normally at this time it'd be packed. Let's see, it should be here. case. One case should be good. Alright, so we got the water. Now we need some milk. Some milk. Coconut oats, that's not the one. Where's the originals? Alright, got some originals in the back. What's the date on it? March 8th. That's good. Alright. That's pretty good. Alright, so that being said, now we can get some hot dogs. No. Let's see here. We got how much for this? 2 for $7? So that's $3.50 for one. That's not a sale. Are you kidding me? How much for the ice cream? $4.97. Come on. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Check and see if I could find it on this side. Let's see. Let me see if there's any more bacon. Everyone's coughing, everyone's sick. Let's see what they got over here. Alright, so now I just need to get the hot dog buns and then we should be good to go. Let me see. Just need to get the hot dog buns and then we should be good to go. And then I'll get out of here, go to Dollarama, and then go pick up Kason. Catch you guys in a few minutes. Finally out. And it's cold. I don't think I'm gonna head over there anymore because I always have these bird poops give me good luck all the time. You know what they say, huh? When birds be pooping on your vehicle, it's good luck. So let me put this inside. They be always blessing me with their poop. If you never heard that before, when birds poop on your vehicle, that's not good luck. You heard it today. Alright guys, stay tuned. Next clip I should be going to be picking up Kason, so you should see Kason in the back with me in a few minutes. I gotta take these out, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I am back in the car and guess who I have with me? KJ, are you gonna say hi? They can't hear you. Say hi. Hi. How was school? Hi. How was school? Hi. School was good? Yeah? 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 Cheese. Say cheese? Alright, I'm saying cheese. Cheese. I'm saying cheese with you. Cheese. So guys, I got a whole bunch of stuff in the back to bring in, and Kason here. Grandpa's at work. You got, yeah, Grandpa's at work. Alright guys, so stay tuned. right now, like I said, I'm gonna have to bring all these stuff. I didn't bring no bag, so everything is in the trunk as is and in the back seat as is, and I got the case of water and everything. So with that being said, I am gonna leave you guys here until next time, which is tomorrow. I hope you guys, if you guys are still watching this video up until this point in this video and you haven't subscribed, join the family, hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And with that being said, like we say in every video, it's the end of the video. Peace and unity. VV troops all the way. Peace. You all said peace?